Hi everyone, it's Lou Collins and welcome to another Papercraft Society box reveal. This is box number 65 and this one has RSPB included. Now, the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds. This is one of the charities that we have the licensed product for at CraftStash, so I'm really excited about this one. It's always beautiful and unique imagery. So let's take a look inside the box at what you'll be getting if you are a subscriber to the Papercraft Society boxes. So first of all, we've got the foiled box, which is always beautiful. On the inside, nature is for everyone. I don't know if that's maybe like a tagline for RSPB, but yeah, sounds perfect. So as you can see here, I really love this blue tit and floral gorgeous backing, and we've got it on the box as well. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm kind of hoping that there might be some sort of, I don't know, maybe like pattern paper like that. I'm just going to use a pokey tool because we've got a sticker over the envelope. Now this just shows you I don't look at the items before I do the reveal. So let's just get through that properly. I could have used a craft knife really, but yeah, just proves that I don't look at the items until I do the reveal video with you. So what have we got here now? We've got a stencil first of all. So it looks like we've got maybe some bluebells or something similar. We've got some tulips maybe, and we've got some other florals there too. So that's really pretty. It looks like it's 6x6" stencil. Then we have a stamp set. Now these are the sort of images that I expect to see from RSPB. So you've got birds in flight, you've got birds sitting on branches, beautiful magnolia at the top here. I love magnolia. It's one of my favourite flowers. The same gorgeous florals here. I love this one here. So this looks like a little finch sitting on some, I'm not sure what flower that is, but either way, it's a really beautiful branch. We've also got the cutest little hedgehog there, and we've got hair as well. We've got some daisies. I love this. There's so much. Oh, there's even tiniest little bumblebee and butterfly. Honestly, there's so much there that I could be using. So excited to get playing with that. Then we've got the dies. Now I'm wondering, I imagine the dies will probably line up. Let's see. So we've got the bird. Yeah, we've got the outline for that bird. We've got the outline. Oh, this one down the bottom that I said looked like a little finch on the foliage. Yep, that fits perfectly over that as well. Then we've got a watering can. We've got a birdhouse. We've got birds in flight. Oh, they actually match some of the stamps too. Foliage and flowers too. Fabulous. These are so usable. You're going to find you're using these all the time. Aha. Look, the pattern papers. Yes, let's delve in and see what we've got here. I always love the quality of the pattern papers that are in the Papercraft Society box. So we've got a bit like some of the imagery that's similar to the box there. So we've got those blue tits. We've also got some of the other beautiful florals on there. There's a real mix in there. And then we've got these printed ones. They almost look like they've been stamped on. Absolutely gorgeous cherry blossom there. I can't wait for my tree to come back into blossom again this year. It's pink just like that for some of the year, not all of the year. It goes different colours. And then we've got a nice green subtle background with flowers and leaves. This is really fun. Look at the colours in that. Isn't that just absolutely beautiful? And then we've got the hairs as well. It's not all about birds. We've got the hairs there also. So some beautiful patterned papers. So that's the wallet. Then under the tissue paper, we've always got more. So let's pop this wallet away. And let's see what else we've got hiding underneath that tissue paper. So it's a nice ivory colour. And I always say what the tissue paper is because I tend to use it for my craft projects too. So like my mixed media, for example. So rustle. Oh, we've got a huge, it's not a roll, is it? But a huge amount of raffia here. That is going to be fantastic for those natural feeling cards and other projects, home decor projects maybe. Then we've got ephemera here. Let's take a little look at these a bit closer. You can see we've got a bag with quite a lot in there. I'm going to do this and they're all going to come out, aren't they? I'm going to drop them all. What have we got? We've got florals here. We've got, there we go, that beautiful bird on the cherry blossom. Thanks a bunch. Oh, we've got a little robin. I have a robin visits my garden often. We've got more beautiful cherry blossom and birds. We've got Some birdie loves you. Sentiments there too. Lots of different images here. It looks like we've got 2 of everything as well. So if you create a card that you love, you can recreate it again. We could just do 2 straight off. Look at these absolutely stunning toppers there. We've got the hairs included too. There's no way I'm going to get those back in. So let me just place those to the side. And there's a little robin. What's in here? Let's have a look. See what we've got inside here. We have got some paper flowers. Oh, these are quicker and easier. Looks like they are shaped as well. So yeah, they've got some veins in the petals. They're really pretty. A very, very pale lemon, almost an ivory colour. So gorgeous. They are really pretty, very delicate. They're going to work very well with the birds. Then we have another stamp set. Let me keep this on this paper here. We've got Happy Birthday, Sent with Love, Sending You, Hedgehogs, which will go perfectly, of course, with the hedgehog. Thanks a bunch. Somebody Loves You Again. Be happy, best wishes, brighter days are coming. And you've got the bumblebee stamp there as well. So that's nice to have an additional stamp set that wasn't in the wallet. That's a surprise. Then we have some handmade paper. So I imagine this is like your mulberry paper. Years ago, I actually made my wedding invitations with something like this. You've got what looks like 4 sheets there. Now I'm just going to tear one just to show you. You get that gorgeous natural fluffy edge when you use mulberry paper. It's very, very pretty, very delicate, but you can still stamp on it. You could ink onto it as well and such, so that's really good fun to use too. Then we have our coordinating cardstock. So let's just undo, in fact, let's flick through it with the belly band on because we've just got the 4 sheets here. So we've got that pink there that you can see. Then we've got the hot pink as well, nice contrast. A very, very pretty lilac. And then we have the grass green, almost a lime green, very bright. And of course, in the bottom, for me, this is always the best value, is the project booklet. You've got everything, so many projects in here, using everything in the box. Let's take a little look. Now, if you don't want to see the projects in advance and you like them to be a surprise when you receive the box, then I would say just turn away for a moment because I am going to have a quick flick through the booklet. Now, don't forget also, you do need the booklet because this booklet's going to give you the link for where to get your downloads from. So you can go and download the papers that you've got in the box and you print them off at home, use them over and over again. So you've got step-by-step instructions for a hexagonal card. That's really pretty. Oh, I love this one. This is like an acetate see-through card. Beautiful stamping and colouring there as well. Obviously a bit about the RSPB, the charity. Oh, what have we got here? Well, this is different. This is using foil to create some die cut florals. That's interesting, very different. Beautiful, beautiful cards in here. Do you know what? This booklet feels like it's even better quality than it ever has been. It's really, really thick pages, so perfect for keeping. We're using some watercolours here to create some images and a beautiful card again. There's 3 cards there with that technique or those techniques. Stenciling, so some techniques with your stencils too. You just learn so much with Papercraft Society. This is like the spotlight technique, picking out areas just to colour. And then we've also got, oh, this is beautiful. That's like the folding of the papers to create really dimensional cards. Showing you again photos step by steps. Absolutely wonderful. I love this box. If you're interested in getting your hands on this box and you're not already a Papercraft Society subscriber, you can find all the details by going down to the description below. We'll make sure this is all linked for you there. So that's Papercraft Society box number 65, my RSPB. Now, if you're interested, keep an eye on our Facebook page because we are going to be doing a craft along with this box very soon. That will also be on our YouTube channel. So ensure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and you can do that just here. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you again very soon.